This project was for my wife's business. She just needed a sign kind of for her backdrop of her desk. We wanted to have the brand behind the desk. So I went and I had quite a bit of this 1x6 cedar tongue and groove laying around from a previous job I did. And yeah, it worked really nice. It's really, really nice material. My goal was just to use the things I had pretty much around the house. This Gorilla Glue is the best stuff I've used. It's just a construction adhesive Gorilla Glue, and it almost sticks immediately. And I've had no trouble with it. It's a pretty good product. And here I just built a frame, pretty much just using the same material since I had a stack of it. And I also had some leftover MDF trim from when I trimmed out our house. So that worked perfectly for this picture frame. Gotta love FaceTime. Great time to gives an opportunity to visit with family out of state. Here I just used more of that trim I just had laying around, ripped it to the width I wanted, and pin nailed it together. I just used some of this trim Bondo, also left over from the interior of the house. Works pretty good. And I had a former employee who has his own business now, CNC cut out all these steel letters for me. I was just trying to burn off any lint or any oils off the surface of the steel. Then I had to, of course, bring the wife out to help. It was cool because she was able to color match her logo exactly. She just went down to the hardware store, gave them all the numbers that from her branding, and they were able to match. I caulked all the gaps on the trim. I don't know if anybody else does this, but it sure makes it faster. Again, you'll see here I just used that Gorilla Glue to put down all these steel letters. Back when I had my my business, I used to build a lot of signs like this, and we used to actually weld on studs and bolt the steel letters through the signs. And I've come to find out doing it this way that I could have saved myself a lot of time and money had I just used that Gorilla Glue. And the wife may have made a slight color mistake.
What you doing? Was an oopsie on the paint.
Well, that's a wrap on this one. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.
Don't stuff in your teeth.
That's all you ever say.
Yeah, I know.
Get it out.